Vijaya Laxmi Pandit, the first Indian woman to hold a post in the pre-independent India governance, inaugurated this hospital in Malihabad in the year 1939. She was elected to the provincial legislature of the United Provinces and was designated Minister of Local Self-Government and Public Health in 1937. She became the first woman president of United Nations General Assembly in 1953. She came to Malihabad on September 12, 1939 to inaugurate a women dispensary hospital. This indoor room was inaugurated by Panna Lal I.C.S in 1941. This hospital now lies in ruins as a new building had come up at a little distance. A plaque was installed on that day for remembrance. The creepy silence of this place amidst dirty and filthy surroundings make this place horrible, nevertheless fit place for a horror movie set. Thanks a lot for being with me. Goodbye.